What's up guys, it's your boy named Yakov Karni and I'm back with a brand new video, and today we're going to talk about a topic, and today is a very special day for me. And before I talk about the topic, I just want to let you know guys that today is my birthday. Yes, it is my birthday. I'm born March 14, 2002, and I'm actually 23 years old. That's a big number guys. And I just want to say that if you guys can do me a favor for my birthday, if you love me and support me, please, if you guys can subscribe to Yakov Karni. I hope to hit 500 subscribers, 3,000 watch hours. It's my gift and my wonder to be a YouTuber one day, so I can be like Mr. Beast one day, but better than Mr. Beast. And thank you so much for all the support and everything. If you guys can do that for me, thank you again. Now back to the video. So today, me and my sisters, my whole sisters, I went with my two sisters and my other sister also, and we're driving to, oh, I almost forget, my baby sister. So my baby, not my baby sister, my baby niece. I have a niece and I love her so much. I adore her and I want to be the great uncle for her. I really hope I can be the best uncle for her. And I just wanted to say guys that it was an amazing trip because we were driving 1 hour with a traffic that we had to drive. It was annoying, very, very annoying to go on the 95. And we arrived to the mall. I went to the mall with myself. I was walking around, and after that we went to, I was looking for the mall. I asked the workers, where's the place called Manya Jeans? And she asked me, what? I'm like, Manya Jeans. And she's like, what is that? It's an Israeli store, and they just open it. And then after that, we went to the store. She asked me, she gave me the address for it. She went to the computer to type out the name of it. And I had to go to Jesse Penny or something like that. And then I went to Money Jeans. I met the most wonderful people who worked at Money Jeans. Very, very, very nice workers. They took care of me, and I spent a lot of money on that place, and it was wonderful. And I want to show you guys what I got. And this video we're going to talk about is unboxing the Manya Jeans clothes. If you want to see what it looks like, I'm going to show you right now as we speak. So this is all the stuff I got. I got 1, 2, 3. I spent a lot of money in this place. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. So let's open it. So what we got here on the box, on the bag, my bad, in the bag, we got some awesome stuff in the bag. Then after that we got another bag and a bunch of clothes over there. And then I got a bunch of stuff over here also as we speak. So yeah, we're gonna open it. I'm excited. So the first thing I'm gonna open is this one. I want to show you what I got. So what we got here, guys, is a bunch of clothes. So we got this awesome jeans. I like these jeans a lot. I don't know if you guys can see that, but this is the jeans I got. Really, really comfortable jeans. And it's really cool. I like it a lot. And then after that, we got some clothes for the summertime. In the summertime, it's really, really hot. So I got this really awesome t-shirt. Look at the back. It's really nice. Oh, my bad. We got this also in the back. The back is amazing. I love it. And this is the front. And then we got another shirt. And same thing. Very nice. Just different color. And super dope. I love it. The back is awesome. And then I got a yellow t-shirt. I never owned a yellow t-shirt before in my life. So I got this really awesome yellow shirt. Got it from Manya Jeans. Really, really love the yellow t-shirt. And this is what I got. And then after that, we got another t-shirt. Really, also a really nice shirt also. Really, really, I love it. I love it very much. It's also nice. And then we also got a black skinny jogger jeans. Really, really comfortable to wear also. And I love it. That's what I got. And then got another pants This is it's like a jogger pants, but it's short pants. Really, really nice. It's a good fashion stuff. Love it. That's what I got. And then we got more stuff. Now, guys, I gotta tell you what I like about this T-shirt. I really adored this T-shirt. It's really, really nice, and I don't know. It's just really nice just to see the color of the fashion of it. See, in America, they don't have this type of fashion stuff, so I love that. And then we got another short jeans, really, really nice. I love it a lot. It's really nice. I can match it with other stuff. This is what I got. The pants is adorable. That's what I got. And then I got a really, really nice T-shirt, and I love it a lot. And I'm gonna use it when I go to the beach. Maybe I can get some girls for once. So I got this really awesome shirt also, and it's really, really nice. And it smells very amazing. I love it a lot. So yeah, and then I match it with the pants. The pants is also very, very nice as we speak. And yeah, then we got another jogger pants, and it's black. So I also love it. I adore it. That's what I got. And then after that, we got like a green, like Middle East IDF jogger pants. It's also nice. I love it. That's what I got. And it also smells good. It smells like when you go to the mall, everything still smells good. Then after that, we got more clothes. This was much bigger. We got this pants that matched the other white shirt I showed you. Then I got this pants. Really, really it looks like a woman like they used to wear. Like, you remember in the 80s, guys used to wear like shirt pants like that. Like, I never see this. I never see anyone wears that. But now they bring it back, so that's cool. And then I got another pants. I got this pants. I love it a lot. It's also amazing. And I also got a red T-shirt. If you guys are into like red and stuff like that, this is the red T-shirt I got. It's so beautiful. The red, look at the back. The back is amazing. And then we got this shirt. This shirt is really, really nice. I love it a lot, and it's beautiful. Look at the back in the brown T-shirt. Then I got another shirt, and this shirt is also nice. I love the back. The back is amazing. So this is how the shirt looks like. And if you don't know, I don't know if you guys can see that, but that's what I got. And then the back is really, really nice. I love the back. And then after that, we got another T-shirt, and this is also a beautiful shirt. I got this another black shirt, and I got this in the back. It's nice. And then the last T-shirt I got is this T-shirt. I got this really, really nice. And then in the back, I don't know how to speak Japanese, but if you guys know how to speak Chinese or Japanese, let me know in the comments what the hell this is. So I hope you guys like this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. And that's about it. That's what it came with. I came with 3 boxes and everything. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you guys love it. Comment below. Let me know in the comments about the Chinese T-shirt, what it said in the back. Let me know in the comments about all your thoughts about the fashion that I got. If I have a good taste of T-shirts and stuff like that, let me know in the comments what you think about that. And also, make sure to hit that subscribe button again, please, guys. Please, I'm begging you. And look at this guy. Like, look at his clothes I have. Like, this is all the freaking clothes I got. It's amazing. And I just want to say, guys, like, enjoy this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope that you guys have a really happy birthday to all your Pisces. If you guys are Pisces and you're born on March 14, I hope you guys are having a lovely day. I hope you guys are going to have fun on your birthday. And yeah, so I hope you guys like this video. And I'll see you pretty soon, guys. And I love you all. And I don't know what to say, but boom. So, love you. Bye.